What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on OBSV stock. First of all, brief information about this company. ObsEva SA engaged in the research and development of therapeutic treatments for women's reproductive health and pregnancy. It offers biopharmaceutical drugs addressing conditions compromising pregnancy from conception to birth. So it's a good company for women's health, and its total market cap for now is $410.16 million. It's not a big company. And here is their website, and we are on their pipeline section. As you can see, ObsEva is advancing a pipeline of orally administered clinical stage innovative compounds to treat women's reproductive health conditions. And they have several pipelines, several products, and their main product is ESLT, and they are at the end of phase 3, as you can see. Their next milestone will be NDA submission on Q2 2021, and they have commercial rights exclusive worldwide, with one exception of Asia region. So it's in my opinion it is a good drug. I'm not so confident with women's health, but nevertheless I think the pregnancy is always good for mankind in total. And here we are on their press release section, and as you can see, on February the 17th, they announced that company management will be participating in a fireside chat and one-on-one investor meetings at SVB Leerink 10th Annual Global Healthcare Conference, and it will take place on Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. And here is some information. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published on February the 18th, 2021. And I want to quote just one paragraph. ObsEva is a company which is in the process of achieving approval for therapeutics aimed at women's health issues. The company is nearing the end of its phase 3 trials. Accordingly, the European Medicines Agency has validated the company's request for review upon trial results. This review will be for ObsEva's leading drug candidate, ESLT. Here we can see their institutional investors for now, and some of them they add their position or they buy shares, and some of them they sell their position. So we don't have a strong trend among the institutional investors for now. But definitely we can have some catalysts on this event that will push the price up. So, and before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So we are on a 30-minute time frame, and we had a huge surge in price of 168%, and then we have this pullback, and now we are starting for probably a new uptrend. Let me measure the retracement of this wave. I take a Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the run and put the second point at the top of the run, and as you can see, we've almost hit 0.618 region. It is the most probable zone of trend reversal, and in my opinion it is a good sign. Let me turn it off, and now we have a next move to the upside, and let me show you a little bit closer. So here we can see clean 3 waves, but we cannot say that it is only the first wave, and let me tell you why. According to Elliott wave theory, the third wave it cannot be the shortest wave among 3 others impulsive waves. So it might be the biggest, but it will be never the shortest. And let me measure the first wave and project it to the third wave. So we didn't hit one-to-one extension. This means this is the length of the first wave, and our third wave didn't hit this wave. And let me measure the 5th wave and the 3rd wave. Obviously you can see that it is higher than this one. And here we can see another confluence. According to Elliott wave, the third wave in impulsive movement might be 1.618 of the first wave. So as you can see, we've hit exactly 1618, and this means we have this type of waves. So here is the first wave, second, third, retracement. On bigger picture we have something like this. So this is our first wave, second retracement, then we are forming the third wave of this scale, and we have to have one more leg up. As you can see, we have the fifth wave of this smallest scale, and then we can have some more legs to the upside. And yeah, I think we can have this move up, and from the technical standpoint, of course we can see the potential to go to the upside, and that's why I think it is good time to try to catch the trade. And let me show you some information about short-term targets. So here is our initial wave, and we retraced to this level, and I took Fibonacci extension tool and put the first point at the bottom of this run, second one at the top of this wave, and the third point at the bottom of retracement. And with the assumption that this was only the first wave, we can hit on the third wave this level of $8.72. But with the assumption that this is the third wave, the fifth wave might be only 0.786. I told you about the most probable outcome of this setup, and the most conservative target will be here, and more aggressive target will be here. But if you believe that this company, I mean ObsEva, will announce that they have huge news about their main product, their eSLT, and they try to negotiate with investors, and they will be interested in this company, in my opinion, it will be the huge catalyst for the company to hit even higher price points. And that's why I think for those of you who believe in this company, you might even add your investment position right here. So, and let me show you one more thing. Let me switch to 4-hour chart, and let me show you several resistances. So here we can see clear resistance right here. It is basically the bunch of resistances, and one of them will be around the 0.6 level, next one will be a little bit higher. And let me show you the confluence zone with our first target. As you can see, we have a bunch of resistances here, and in my opinion we might hit this target and maybe poke through it a little bit, then pull back, and it will be another entry point for medium-term trades, and maybe another point of adding your investor position. But nevertheless, here is our first target, and we have a strong confluence with our projection. And with the higher target, let me show you this one. Here we have a support, and we can even draw it like this. Here we have basically support and resistance. Here we have resistance, here we have support, and we have a confluence zone around our aggressive target, and it might be the second point when we will stop and have a bounce back. I think that's it for now, and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. See you guys next time. Bye!